Hello viewers, it's TK in Tokyo, and what I got for you today is a 2000 model year Lancer Evolution 6 Tommi Makinen edition, finished in white. As you can see, this car is equipped with the circuit or road going wedge airfoil in the front, the air dam, as opposed to the standard 6 port fog light opening air dam, which sets this thing definitely apart. Very aggressive looking stance here. And as with Makinen's, very nice forged Enki 8-inch factory aluminum alloys, finished in white as well. Okay, let me show you the interior of this car. As Makinen's are finished in this very, very exclusive Recaro from the factory, and you can see that the seat's in wonderful condition. It's a driver's seat, and the passenger seat, of course, as well. Okay. Ditto for the back. Take a look at from this side. All in all, this is a very, very nice, clean, unmolested example of a Makinen. Quite exclusive, even over here. Very sought after and highly collectible. Very clean, straight car. Okay, as I draw this to a close, Phil, you got a beautiful white Makinen heading your way. This and fine other Japanese automobiles can be viewed at Edward Lee's Japanese Automotive Center. This is TK. Thank you viewers for watching. Out.